What is going on, guys? Welcome in today's video on how to download the game Dynasty Warriors Origins on your PC. So what we need to do is open our Google browser, and before we start I would like to ask you to subscribe to our channel and like the video to support us. Once you have done that, we can locate this game first on Steam, and then we can proceed to another website to download this game. So go to the Steam website, quickly search up the game Dynasty Warriors Origins and select it. Now scroll a little bit down and you will find out there is a free demo available, but we would like to download this full game. And as you can see on Steam, it is very expensive, €63.99. But don't worry, we got a little workaround for that, to save yourself a lot of money while downloading games. Now what you need to do is open the video description and click on the link where it says find game here. Then you will be redirected to this webpage. Now search up the same game, Dynasty Warriors Origins, and search for it. Now after that, select the games on the left side and sort by price lowest first. And then you will find out that this game is already available, much cheaper than on Steam. But wait a minute, we need to watch two things. The first thing is to search for the PC version, and of course this text needs to be marked green so the game can be activated in your country. Now once you have found one, select it, and after that you can see that this game is already available for just €45.79 compared to the price on Steam of €63.99. So this will save you a lot of money. But if you purchase this game through this website, you will receive an email confirmation plus a pre-purchase bonus and a Steam key to activate this game through Steam, but much cheaper than when you buy it through the Steam store. So definitely try this out, and after that you are able to download the game Dynasty Warriors Origins on your PC through Steam and save yourself a lot of money with downloading games. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!